For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Siwelele 2, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Siwelele namhlanje, they brought it to an end. Last 7-game unbeaten run, Kaizer Chiefs. Remember, they won 5 in a row. Then they drew 2 games. Namhlanje was their 8th game. High in confidence. Playing also against a team that has been unbeaten in the last 3-4 games. Isiwelele been drawing 1-1, 0-0, 0-0, but namhlanje they scored 2. And Umusengeo, just before singing, he was telling us something. I was shocked to go to Isiwelele are the least scoring team in the league. In 25 games that they've played so far, 26 games that they've played so far, they've scored only 15 goals. You can imagine.
Terrible indeed. Especially for a team playing in the Betway Premiership, 26 games,
15.
Or maybe Nglux was mistaken.
It's not mistaken. I also just double checked there. It's there, Chucks. Nyani is Nyani. They scored 15. I mean that coming into this game, they scored 13. Then they scored 2 namhlanje to make it 15. Chucks, when you go la umdlalo mhlakazi mandikubulise kunjani?
Molo chain. Ke re khotso wa tlhomphe la peng champion msela masilo machaka mtokwana. Ke dumedisa bomb squad qala ka Nkulux kwa Dibobza akahowa Tsovilakazi le Justo. Yes mana.
He has considered Chucks. He has considered into team. It means Uyokeres has just scored for Arsenal. That's his celebration.
Okay.
Uyokeres has just scored for Arsenal in the first leg of semi-final with Champions League.
Okay.
Arsenal are leading 1-0, and jealous people on the other side are booing Uyokeres.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I don't want to mention Arsenal and the best football that I saw was last night.
Last night.
PSG and Bayern. This ones, I don't worry about them.
Sharks.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, the game where it was like the Polasa Street game.
Yeah.
Where anyone can just score.
I used to play
I mean, at one point, Bayern Munich had a 3-goal lead,
yes,
but at the end of the game, they only had 1.
Yeah.
You like him as a strat in Sharks, but okay. Let's go to Bloemfontein Sharks and
Thank
talk
you
about
very
Isiwelele and Kaizer Chiefs.
Chain, first of all, we are not in the game. Poor performance from the Feven Clamor boys coming from a draw against Orlando Pirates Football Club. Mentality, they were not ready, I can see. And even the changes that were made tonight. Remember, I think it's 3 changes.
Yeah.
Marco was in Chabalala. Chabalala came in the second half, remember, at the Derby. Yeah. And who else? Kyle as well. Yeah, he didn't start Gaddafi, then he came in the second half as well. Those changes. But why change it when it's not broken? I'm not sure if there was some yellow cards or suspension or whatsoever. But I can tell the approach of the game from the first half. That's what I'm saying. So we must give credit to Seema and the players there. About Potsdam, about Lungu and Rapo and the stuff. So they played very well. You know, that's what I'm saying. In the movement of the ball, you could even see. I mean, they missed a lot of chances in the first half. They got 2 goals, which are very, very important goals. There were no offside there. We can't even talk about anything else. Great goals, great finish. And also Peterson, I think he tried his best tonight. He
saved Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes, absolutely.
From an embarrassing scoreline.
Absolutely.
You think also, because we started in a point where Isiwelele scored 15 in 25 games.
Yeah.
You think, and those missed chances, that is also one of the reasons they've scored 15 in 25.
Absolutely. It shows that they lack finishing, especially in the final third. Meaning there's something that Siema and the players should talk about. I mean, we've got great players. They've got even experienced players. It's not only the players that come from development or so, but great players. They played for Chiefs as well, you know. And Abo Lungu, this kind of players, I think Lungu played for Sport as well while he was still here. Yeah. So you could even see they do have experience. But I think coming into tonight's game, you know, they saw a need of, especially in the first half, pressurizing Kaizer Chiefs, unable to give Chiefs a space. Even could even see in the middle of the park. I mean, I didn't see Kyle as well in the middle of the park, or also Mabuya as well in the middle of the park. So I think the Manga men as well from Siwelele, I think they did exceptionally well in the first half. So that is why they got those 2 goals. Unable to defend. You've got McCarthy, you've got Msimango. You've got even Marco before he was replaced by Frosler. So, man, I mean, they were all over us in the first half.
First half.
At least wanted to come back in the second half. The time we wanted to come back, it was too late. But could not even get the ball in the back of the net. Remember, there were some corner kicks there, a lot of corner kicks from Chiefs, but we couldn't, utilize them. See, our free headers from
Silva also.
it was Silva. It was even
There's also la bola ka Msimango where he found
Msimango-
himself.
yeah.
He just couldn't turn. Uvele wayikhaba nje.
No, actually was not away. He had a lot of time that he could turn, even pick the spot and make it a 2-1. So, but he could not, that's what I'm saying. Even the communication on the field of play, it wasn't. They were not there tonight. We must just give credit to Swelly. I mean, they played very well. Chiefs in terms of communication are not there. Even in terms of even also the movement of the ball was not there, my brother.
In the first interview, I asked Kuto about the changes in midfield. I know Guti Ngutwa, you don't just make changes with defense and also in midfield. You can tweak here and there, go wingers and also strike and try your other striker, but in midfield, the defense, you don't just change without a reason. But you don't know a reason why he coaches Zakos Ngocele namhlanje. But you think Kaizer Chiefs, they missed la bite Mteto namhlanje and also Undlovu, because we saw them over the weekend and how they performed against Orlando Pirates. You think they missed them namhlanje?
I don't think so. I mean, any player that plays for Kaizer Chiefs, they must come and perform on the field of play. Remember, those changes they were made because of it was Orlando Pirates. They played Orlando Pirates very well. They want to neutralize Orlando Pirates as well, especially in the middle of the park. Once you do that, then you they don't stand a good chance to beat Orlando Pirates. But now coming to Swelle game, there's some changes again. Against Swelle. Because Swelle, you can even start saying, you're talking about 15 goals after 26 games. They are poor. So I mean, they are poor. But that's why came into this game. We thought, what we'll do well away from home. But it was not meant to be, because that's what I'm saying. The mentality of the players of Kaizer Chiefs were not there as well in Bloemfontein. I mean, we didn't play as a unit. We didn't even defend as a unit. We didn't even share the ball, and there was no movement from Kaizer Chiefs players as well.
What do you think caused that, Chucks? Because over the weekend we saw Kaizer Chiefs was playing with confidence. They were so confident over the weekend. I know Guti derby is a derby, but sometimes you can also read the body language your players. I mean, throughout the season you could read the body language of players, the Kaizer Chiefs. But over the weekend with derby, they also reminded me of the first game that they played in the season. Not the first, I think the second or the third game when they played against Sundowns. They were so confident. We could say they wanted to win that game and also in derby. But namhlanje coming to this game, Chucks, what do you think changed in Ngondo Nyabo?
I'm saying, I'm talking about mentality. They were drained. You play up against Orlando Pirates, you put everything on the field of play, you leave everything on the field of play. That's what they did, the Kaizer Chiefs players. You couldn't even see Chabalala and Duba. Duba did very well in that, that assist for Modi against Orlando Pirates. But you could even see today, Modi nowhere to be found, Duba, and even Chabalala. So that's what I'm saying. Talk about the mentality of the players as well. That's what Paris, they were trained to come nice. So they went to Bloemfontein, my brother. Not switch on. So that is why they got the better of us as well. So that's what I'm saying. It's all about the players. The coaches, you can't blame them that much, but the players didn't do the job tonight. Even if we were playing for 125 minutes, we couldn't even score. But Goss, as a goalkeeper, I couldn't even see. I think he was well trained. He played for Sundowns and even SuperSport as well. You can even see how he's playing the way Williams plays as well. Atata Zeleman, he's just calm, cool and collected. He gives the defense that confidence to say, hey, I'm here. Don't worry about anything. I'll also protect you. That is why he made some beautiful saves as well. That is why they won the game tonight against Kaizer Chiefs.
Chucks and Chucks, thank you so much for your analysis, my good sir. Toyota Stadium in Free State, it's Siwelele 2, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Tango.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.